Normal lens. A lens with a focal length between 35 mm to 50 mm and a human eye can comfortably view. Wide angle lens. A photography where the photography be able to move farther from the scene to photograph. Telephoto lens. Production of a flat composition for objects appear enlarged while near object do not proportionally large. Macro lens. It is designed with extended focusing capabilities to shoot few inches from a subject. Zoom lens allows a quick adjustment to give a wide or narrow field of vision.